What up, people of YouTube? Alberto Big Boost here. Wait a minute. Where's the intro with the drifting? I gotta get some drifting on this video. Alright, let's put some drifting on this video. Alright, back at it. I hope you like that. I hope I did well. I haven't even drifted yet by the time I'm filming this video. So let's go with it. Alright, car seems to be running pretty good. I really like the new stance with the new wheels, but those are my daily wheels. I'm gonna be keeping those in the front, but the back ones I'm gonna switch it up for the other ones, which are the Hypergrams, which are gonna be my drift tires, which I have 6 tires shoved inside that car, which I now have to dig out and sacrifice a little bit of run grip, because my run grip this time so happens to be the first one. Well, let's get to work. I gotta unload this car.
Lover, what's holding you down? I ain't like others, don't let them hold your ground. I am in the summer sky, I am hearing all the lies. Don't turn your back on me, I'm here for you. I'll light your fire as the cold comes through. You'll be my passenger and I'll break through, I'll break through. Venus.
Well guys, so we're some really good first runs. The car's handling well. The coolant system is operating like it should. But the new Mishimoto expansion tank and silicone water hoses are working perfectly. Back then I used to do a lap and it was still like around 190, 200 degrees. It'll take forever. I'll have to do like 4 or 5 cooling laps to get it back down. Now literally it cools back down by the time I get back from the truck around the pits and back into grid. I don't think my valve cover paint is really liking the oil temperature. Look, it's all bubbly and ugly. I think I should get this thing powder coated at some time. Another great thing is that the tires seem to be lasting pretty well. No chunking whatsoever. Seems to be wearing down just right. Check it out. This is how you want to see your tires wear down. Perfectly even, no scaling, no chunking, just perfect wear and evenness across the whole tire surface.
smoking, Alberto? Why are you smoking? Why are you smoking? What?
It's broken, I guess.
Broken again?
Yeah.
Don't break it. Please don't break it. Oh, I'm calling it. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna try to bet you can do it again, watch. I bet $5 you can do it again. Oh, I'm calling it. I'm calling it. Bro, there's no one out here.
How was that? No
good.
way.
Really
I gotta cool down. It went really hot.
Oh, it's hot as hell, dude.
Yeah.
I can't even imagine how hot it's gonna be.
How are the tires though?
You got maybe one lap. Oh my god, I wouldn't even bother, honestly. These are kind of, these are done, Alberto.
Yeah, I had like no grip.
No, they're done. They're done.
I was like letting back.
Don't do it. They're done.
Oh yeah, I'm cooling it down. Guys, that has to be the best run I ever laid down with the car so far, and the best thing ever is that my temperatures are actually staying on track. 90 degrees Celsius, I'm still going down. All right, I'm satisfied with that. I was running third gear, pretty much floor the whole time. Well, kinda. I mean, it's hard to explain. It's like you're floored, but then not floored. So you floor it, you break the tires, so then you back down just a little bit so you can stay where the power that you want without hitting the red limiter. It's like that sweet spot. It's so much fun. I almost hit full angle on that thing. I can't wait to see this video how it turned out. I got the Federal double R's, so let's see how grip's gonna be in the next session.
Don't launch control from here. Exactly. Now you're good.
like ending a drift event on good terms. The car held up, it works pretty good, no overheating issues, everything's holding. All I gotta do is just pack everything and then we can go home. But guys, before we leave this video, very importantly, the moment you've all been waiting for. There's new merch available. I got a new shirt with the purple E36 and I got Big Boost hats now. If you're interested in buying some merch, hit the link in the description below, which is shopbigboost.com. I've been wearing this all day, it's super soft, and check out how sparkly this logo looks. Speaking of sparkly, check out the hat. It's threaded in metallic silver thread, so it's like really nice, all sparkly. Also, these are snapbacks, very comfortable. Get yours today. Problems of rain drifting. Check out how dirty my engine bay looks now after this session. I was just sending it in the rain, full lock, and then this is the outcome. Now we gotta wash this thing. Not even the headlights are safe. I've almost used all of my tires, all of it and all of it. I really hope you guys love this video. I put a lot of effort into making it happen, you know, just not getting the car ready in time, buying tires, prepping to come over here, fighting against the weather. I don't really like rain drifting too much because it's super humid and hot in Florida. So yeah, it actually turned out to be pretty cool. We had a good turnaround, the car held up, I had a lot of fun, a lot of seat time, and let's see how this video turned out because I'm still recording this and I have no idea what the video is gonna look like, but you guys get to see it before you hear this. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. I'll see you guys next time.
Lover, what's holding you down? I ain't like